ki khubor ka bate CTV. Lawan Rajaphi taka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
Ubak Preston dun song ubelong sumbut Menteri Rangba jangka Sorkar Jela ubah pekya ketenat kampuk yeng bat ubah keliru kumu chairman jangka Regional Committee na kebentak ribhoy. Ulayat ho baka jingalang hapadang ki artili ki Regional Committee jangka Meghalaya baka Jela Assam kinsas dang biang na du usnam araja arpusaw. Ulayat ho baka jingya keren penbetpot kandang la benang slam syuk kan deru na kadaw ke jingwan jangka syuti Christmas bat saki election Lok Sabha kaban salong ha usnam bansawan.
Subuk ngangalai kemusaman. Dekte usaman nang thiu ngai. Te don ka jing ya yuang ta te ngai mat te menta pre ngi sene ban ong ya kren ya kanega ong no ya ketika riboy. Ya riboy region tengah try ban ong within this year not possible. Nomor ba mentangi la jan ke Christmas lai bun kam. We will again resume maybe only after by next year. Again, mi biangka issue tangan unu lada tang sulak poi suka election MP election pi kini ki coincidence ke ba pelong bahkan slam ka tambah whatever kalau ada ka slam kena ka jinga keren ru mereka jing sisai pelong ba we stick to what we have already started and we wanted to ban penting na ba bingin poi saka final conclusion pe lada pi yang sangi kwa na ru Januari ngangla keren ya uba Atul Bora nama Udayu Atul Bora bat nga the uru ong most likely let us go and do it in the month of January they again ya kata ngamla ban ong kumung te ka short gi ya light lang pi hang te don uwei ubalong chairman Udayu Patwari uwei pat Udayu Atul Bora uday ya ketika Mautumoro area but ya kedomria area de Udayu Patwari. Dia nak dalam nilai song meeting ya kita berarteli, berarmut kita ki chairman nilai rai kita bangin pendet sua ya kini ki arteli, bad hadir nilai saya kabalai, bad kata kadi ke blok tu, bad ya kada blok tu bade again na Assam ki botu we padu chairman baru tahu dia Piyush Hazarika. Tu kahap haka region kata ka komiti kahap West. West hakaba iba polong chairman. Kilai long teng ya ka komiti tambah long ba kata kalong kaju long kum mengasih di sepoi sega ribhoi region hakaba hakadu ngidangmut bani kendu ngangalai teng counterpart cenga umai. Teng ulai ngapa dah ngamai. Temi kita kideki jinga. Dan rai more or less nilaya long ready bani kendu bat kata ka first meeting ng nilai Shongru, nilai Krensahi, bang nilai Kendubiang, nilai I direction yaki officers jongi kita revenue department nang ta ki DCs, nang ta ki BDOs, bakin nang le ke ground work jongi nadok sedong boro arside bat Assam bat Megala, kenang maka next meeting in Shong, ngin ya discuss kata hadir bagi discuss ngin salit saya ka site inspection and submit the report until unless we meet again and then because see again we have to also go for site inspection like we have done in the first phase. We wanted to again do the same system where both the committee will go to the site, will go to the spot and then in consultation with the local people over there, then after that we will submit the report.